Okay, today we will learn about 3 prepositions to express time differently. First up is at. At is used to express definite and exact time, like at 1 o'clock. You see there are 24 hours in the day, and if you're pointing out just one specific hour, then you are stating time exactly. Thus, we need to use the preposition at. At 2 o'clock, at 8:15, at 7:30, etc. In is used to express a period of time. In ကတော့အချိန်ကာလအပိုင်းအခြားတစ်ခုကိုဖော်ပြရမှာသုံးပါတယ် From 12 a.m. midnight to 12 p.m. noon is the morning period, so we say in the morning. From 12 p.m. noon all the way to 6 p.m. is again the afternoon period, so we say in the afternoon. But noon is exactly at 12, so at 12 p.m. is at noon. The period from noon to 6 p.m. happens after the noon, so we just conveniently call it afternoon because it is after noon. Just a fun fact. Then again, starting from 6 p.m. all the way to midnight, 12 a.m. is the evening period. Here we're going to say in the evening. Late in the evenings, like starting from 9 p.m. to midnight, 12 a.m. is nighttime, and here the period is not as broad as the others and more specific. ညနေနှောင်းပိုင်းတွေဖြစ်တဲ့9နာရီလောက်ကစပြီးတော့ညသကောင်12နာရီအထိအချိန်ကတော့ညပိုင်းဖြစ်ပြီးတော့ဒီအချိန်ပိုင်းကတခြားအချိန်ပိုင်းတွေလောက်မပြတ်နေတယ်ပို့ပြီးတော့အသေးစိတ်တိကျတဲ့အတွက်သူ့ကိုတော့ exactly mentioning group ထဲမှာထည့်လိုက်ပြီးတော့ at night လို့သုံးရပါတယ် Here, please note that 12 a.m. is midnight and 12 p.m. is the afternoon. 12နာရီက AM နဲ့ PM မှာတက်ပြီးတော့အဲ့ဒီငယ်တုန်းကလည်းကိုယ်တိုင်အဲ့ဒီနှစ်ခုကိုရောခဲ့ဘူးလားဆိုတော့ညသကောင်12နာရီက 12 AM နဲ့နေ့လယ်ခင်း12နာရီကမှ 12 PM ဆိုတာကိုရှင်းရှင်းလင်းလင်းနဲ့မှတ်သားစေချင်ပါတယ် We have our next preposition, that is on. On is used to express time ending in days. Any days, like on weekdays, on your birthday, on Christmas Eve, on Father's Day, and etc. Well, there's the weekdays, but there's also the weekends. For the weekends, we're just talking about 2 days in a 7 days week time, so that is again pointing out exactly the time, and we need at for the weekends. At the weekends again. To state today's time, it is at 10 a.m. in the morning on a Saturday. That's all for today, and you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Until next time, bye-bye.
Come and move that in my direction. So thankful for that, it's such a blessing, yeah.